We are very happy with the installation of TSG. We have now on the yard clear distinction between the three different liquids we handle. And we have in the back office graphics and reports which analyze perfect our utilization of the three liquids. My name is Stefan van Bos. I'm the logistics manager for Atlas Copco Rental Europe. And in our company we are helping our customers with temporary solutions with state-of-the-art equipment for compressors, generators and steam boilers. So for many years we have been only using traditional gasoline to power our diesel-driven units. But in recent years, with product innovation, new motors, new technology, and also our sustainability targets, we've been using as well HVO, which is green diesel, and AdBlue. So suddenly we had to handle three different liquids in our depot. So then we contacted TSG to work out a solution where we could have a dispenser unit for the three different liquids with a fast filling pistol and a small one, so we could fill up both our units with a 900 liter tank, but also service vehicles and our forklifts with a smaller tank. To summarize, we achieved in the end two big advantages. First of all, the operation on the yard goes much more quicker and more efficient. And we have now also accurate data to analyze and to optimize our production planning in the future and do accurate sustainability reporting. I would certainly recommend TSG to other companies for this type of installation because you're the expert partner for this type of equipment.